How to get bookmarks back on Chrome. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your browser and then tap on this three dot right over here. Now you will see a list and what you will have to do is go to bookmark and lists. Now simply go to import bookmark and settings. Now it will lead you to this page and then all you have to do is simply import and all your bookmarks will be over here. So if by accident, if you deleted some bookmarks, what you will have to do is simply press Ctrl plus G and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Right. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.